to decorate just a little bit for Easter, and I want to take you guys along. My name is Linette, and I garden and decorate here in Circleville, Ohio. We're in a Zone 6 for gardening, and join me as I use a lot of Dollar Tree items today to decorate my dining room. Nice little cleaning of the table. I did a little wipe down of all my dishes. And my nephew made me these plates in the bowl. And he, did them in a kiln. And I just love them. And sort of roll them on both ends. Roll it on this end. And then pull this part down and try to make some bunny ears. I found some pink twine, so I think I'm just going to take this around each ear and make a bow. I then just put my normal table runner down the table, and then I added my bird cage. And I had to give these candles a good cleaning. I actually got my Easter stuff out, and I forgot that I bought these last year. And so I took the little pink ribbons off and put the little bunny ears on. And for my tablescape, I just used my plates I normally have, and I used my napkin that I normally have, and I showed you earlier how I sort of made them look like bunny ears. And then I just stuck the napkin holder down in a cup, took some Dollar Tree grass, pop that in there, and then stick your little cup, just like so. Okay, so we have a few little final touches, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to decorate your dining room. Got these little yellow tulips on Amazon, and I'm just gonna throw them and mix them in with my pink ones I already had. What, 3, 5, or 7? I think I like 5. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is I bought a Dollar Tree tablecloth for $1.25, and I didn't even unravel it. I took it out of the bag and I cut it in 4 strips, okay? And so now we have a strip of ribbon, or what I'm calling ribbon. And you can pull that out. And I'm going to show you. It's super easy. I just took my ribbon, or my tablecloth, and eyeball and measure it out. Make sure it's even. have a little bow for your chair. Okay, so for the tablescape, we did our little bunny with the grass. I put my normal pink tablecloth, and then I found the green mat at the Dollar Tree. Just sprinkled some eggs throughout. Got the cute little bunny feet at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Popped another little ribbon from my tablecloth up there. And of course you need a basket full of eggs. On this, I just took moss, and on my normal candlesticks that I use, I just removed the candle, put some moss, and then stuck some eggs in it. And I think I got this at a thrift store, and I just painted it with gray and white. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to do is I bought this little bunny rabbit, and it sort of has moss on it. And what I did was I just added some yellow flowers to it. I added some Dollar Tree ribbon, and I did add an egg in there. They had the yellow ones, but I added the blue. And I just want to hang it on my fireplace. So cute. Okay, so I just want to take you around and show you what I did. Took more of the tablecloth and put around my candles. And then put some cute decor. I made these little clay pots a few years ago. I just took a little ribbon around my journal that I always keep up there. A little chocolate bunny down on the end. And I copied off Nikki and got some garland. Easter decor. Hope that you guys can go find a little something, a little bunny rabbit, and decorate your space for Easter. Have a great week, you guys. Thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe button.